This next rational equation that I have, again, I want to be aware of what are some pitfalls that I have. And the pitfall is when any of the denominators become 0 or crash. So I have 1 over x. I just have to be careful to make sure that x is not 0. Well, I don't have to do anything. I just know that that's a restriction. Other than that, let's reduce it by eliminating the fractions. So I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by my lowest common denominator, which in this case is going to be a 2x. 2x times x, 2x squared, plus 2 equals 5x. Now I need to solve that, or continue to solve that, and the best way to solve that is set it equal to 0. So I have 2x squared minus 5x plus a 2 equals a 0. I want to factor that, which is my best course of action to solve this. So I'm going to factor it. 2x and an x, and the numbers over there, a negative 2 and a negative 1. That appears to be the correct factored form, and for this to be true, either this first term has to equal 0 or the second term has to equal 0. So 2x minus 1 equals 0 means that 2x equals 1, x equals 1/2. That's one possible solution. Then x minus 2 equals 0, x equals 2. And that's another possible solution. Now I say possible because we need to check these solutions. So you put 1/2 back into the equation. Well, yeah, do we have time to do that? Let's do that here. So 1/2 plus 1 over 1/2 equals 5/2. Is that true? Well, 1/2 plus, what is 1 divided by 1/2? That's 2 equals 5/2. I just have to remember some of my earlier algebra and how to solve this. This is 1/2 plus 4/2 equals 5/2. And that's true. So I know that 1/2 is a valid solution. And then if I put 2 in the equation, 2 plus 1 over 2 equals 5/2. 2 plus 1/2 equals 5/2. That's 4/2. 2 is the same thing as 4/2 plus 1/2 equals 5/2. And that's also true. So as I check both those solutions, I found them both to be true. Therefore, I have found the 2 correct solutions for this particular example.